So right now we are going to go check out. So all this was plowed out so we can get to the car, but all that fresh snow just dumped. So I mean, this was a lot wider. It was at least 4 feet wide from here to there, but all that fresh snow dumped down. So there's not a whole lot left of when they plowed us out. And then here's the car buried in a little bit of snow. And also what I want to talk about is the performance of the Starlink. So Starlink is there and I have it running all the way to the front door through the little crack right there, but speeds weren't too bad. We're getting about, depending on where the time of the day, you're gonna get pretty good speeds. As you can see, it's right there, and I'm trying to pick up some of the satellites up there, so we're getting intermediate connection. So I did have it on the board, but looks like the board is covered, and looks like the heater is still working. For the first couple days the heater stopped working. Actually it might not be working anymore. I think sitting in the rain and then the sleet and then some of the snow fell down from the trees, I noticed that it was not heating up and melting all the snow off. So I don't know what's going on with that. But it's a beautiful morning. The kids were making a cave, so they covered it up because there was a bear across the street, so they didn't want the bear hiding in their cave. So here's my other son's cave. He made it in and out. But just amazing morning. So we did run the Starlink through its paces here. So we had it sitting out in the rainstorm, then the sleet storm, then the snowstorm that was pretty heavy. During the big snowstorm, because of all the coverage here was very limited, so we kind of had to wait until the storm passed. And then here's the road, so we're still kind of waiting for a plow. Morning. That's our neighborhood friend, Mike. It's a beautiful morning. Is it gorgeous down there, Mike? How beautiful is it over there? It's gorgeous. That's gorgeous.
Way beyond, you'll see Second Ridge.
Yeah.
And now look closer and you'll see the First Ridge. Now that's the difference between here and the Rubicon Estates.
Yeah.
And all of that.
How'd you sleep? How you feeling?
Well, at midnight I heard you boys. I damn near went and got my firecrackers going. Hey.
Yeah.
You gotta watch your fingers.
Yeah, that's true.
But these things, you put on your face mask and your welding gloves before you screw with these. It's like potassium perchlorate shit, rocket fuel.
Well, I didn't want to blow the kids up, Mike.
No, we just blow something else up.
Well, yeah.
But I'll tell you what, it'll make all the roofs slide around here.
Yeah, they lit off a few last night, which wasn't bad.
Well,
And it was perfect because we got the power back.
Up at midnight because every now and then, you see, I'm very susceptible to hearing anything high velocity.
Okay.
And well, you just get that way after a while. And my eyes fly.
Yeah.
Leftovers from like old Billy Bob.
Yeah.
You never get over it.
Yeah. So, yeah, good morning. Oh, I'm doing a little video I'm doing a little video.
Live with it.
Yeah. I'm doing a little video of everything since I'm starting off the
Get
year.
over it. Live with it.
Oh, it's beautiful. Do you think they're going to plow today?
Yeah, they'll be by. Now the thing is that down here where the rich folks live,
Yeah.
in the down on lakefronts and shit,
Yeah.
they always go do them first,
Ah.
and then they put on the next crew because you know they're running 24 hours, but
Yeah.
they can only run them for like 16, and then they gotta down here on the lakefront. They got a cabin behind the county yard. You know the county yard.
Yeah.
And they rent them that cabin, and all the boys sleep, and the rest of the boys plow, and they bring the machines back to the shop, and the mechanics catch a nap when they can,
Gotcha.
because they're fueling and greasing, and you can't let $1 million worth of machinery go to hell. Now they probably come through here. Now they spend a shitload of money. El Dorado County, our tax money, went for a really good purpose. They got these articulated.
I saw that, but I don't know the name of it.
Well, they got the dump bucket, and they can push and doze this stuff up at the corner
Yeah.
twice as fast as the old John Deere could.
You know.
Remember the old grader?
Yeah.
They were using too much fuel, this, that, and the other.
Hopefully they'll.
No, these new ones are articulated, and they can come in here and just knock this out. And nobody
Yeah.
notices.
When we were up here on Thanksgiving, that's when I saw one. But I don't think you were out here at that time.
But they bought like 15 or 20 of them sons of bitches, and they run them between, because they got to do all of South Shore,
Yeah.
and then they got to do all of this. That's where our money for the plowing goes.
I'm
But
noticing.
at least they got some new plow.
Yeah. Something went through here at least, because a lot last night.
That's our new plow.
Okay.
He went up, he come down, but he can't push as wide as the old one.
Yeah, because this is one lane.
Down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Because it's just ice.
Yeah.
And you don't want to go below the bottom, then you start tearing up the street.
Yeah, because this one lane, you can't look at. See, it's narrow now. You can't get two cars through here at all. So something came through. Yeah.
Seen it in the old days. By God, it was 6 foot deep in the middle of the street. And when they got done coming through with the chewers,
Yeah.
hell, it was over the wires. I used to walk up over the wire and then down the street. Yeah, but that was back in 90 something.
90 something. Yeah.
Ooh, I gotta go talk to old. Oh, don't ever get old, kid.
You got it. You got it. You need help. You got it.
If I don't shit my pants, I'll make it.
Well, don't shit your pants.
How's your kid?
They're doing okay. One's awake. The other one's asleep. I think we're gonna try to do some sledding today.
No, but all this bullshit going on all the time, all the baloney. They ever want to hear the whole story? By God. We'd take the horses and the plow and put in the corn on the other side of the river, Red River, Coshada, Louisiana. And then we could raise cattle and hogs and shit on our side and hunt ducks. Ooh, barrel gets so hot you had to dip in the damn swamp, cool it down. And made so much money, had so much good times.
Okay.
Hey, baby brother,
Yes, sir.
I have a problem. I have a problem explaining how much I love chocolate. I ain't shitting you.
Well, we have a pretty big amount. You want me to bring you some? We got some from Oma.
I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about this.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thanks,
And
brother.
Jonesy that taught me to box 64th and Blackstone, South Chicago. I probably told you this story.
Yeah.
Used to call me white bread. That's B-R-E-D.
It was a different time, man.
B-R-E-D. You are white bread. You're whitey, and don't forget it. Now, oof. Anyway.
Hold on a second. I got to go check on the boys because
Right.
the neighbors want to see if they...
Back to the boys. If they ever have a problem understanding what it is to have love.
They know.
All right.
I'll talk to you in a bit, Mike. Thanks, bud.
Love you.
Love you too.
Big baby brother.
Love ya. Whoop. And that'll be the end of the video.